Here's the challenge for this exercise. This is the original photograph. First, you will want to take it into Camera Raw. Enhance its black and white levels. Also, get rid of some of the luminance noise. Maybe sharpen it just a touch. Then, bring the image into Photoshop and begin cleaning up with the healing brush tool. Work to get rid of all those little spots. This is what it should look like when you finish cleaning up the spots. Again, this is what it looked like before. And after we cleaned it up. Before. After. So, you'll be using the spot healing brush tool most of the time. Probably some of the other content-aware tools you've learned about as well. Photoshop 2021 introduced the neural filters. They're located in the filter menu. In the beta filters, there is a colorize option. You can use that to add color to this old black and white image. That's your challenge in this exercise. I hope you have fun, and learn a lot in the process.